Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how you can upgrade your iPhone's iCloud storage. Since most people think that you will have to change your iPhone in order to get a more premium storage. Well, in this video I'm going to show you the way through which you can upgrade your iCloud storage without even needing to change your phone. All you need is just settings. So let's start by opening settings. Then after having it open, simply click on the first button of your Apple ID. So after it's been opened, you can see all the several options we have. So click on iCloud. Then after clicking on it, you can see that we have all the iCloud storage information. So start by clicking on Manage Storage. And after it's open, you can see even more details of your iCloud, such the files that are on it and many more details. So to upgrade its storage, simply click on Storage Plan. So finally we have our plan for our storage, such as 50 gigabytes for $0.99 per month, 200 gigabytes for $2 per month, and finally 2 terabytes for $9.99 per month. So let's try purchase any plan. So select the one you want, and click on this button which says buy. And so you will be given the option to confirm your order, meaning that this money will always be taken from your account every month. If you agree, you will confirm. So since my payment details are not inserted, the purchase didn't go through. However, if yours is updated, then the order will go through. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.